This is the Dana 44 Eaton Detroit locker.
Brand new out of box.
Oh, look at that. Huh?
Loose.
Look at that. Oh, we better check them all, eh? What do you reckon? Huh? Oh, they're kidding. They're going to be kidding, this mob. Oh, Christ almighty. Shall I get something that's fucking bolted together properly in this block? Oh, they're fucking joking, these pricks. How?
They'll all just come loose in
They will.
6 months. And the whole diff will just explode into pieces. How come they can't even do them up tight?
Well, you've got idiots working for them, that's why.
You could get an actual retarded person that is in a wheelchair that could tighten them up each time. And how come these actual people that are normal humans can't just tighten up a bolt?
Ah, look at that. Now I've got that one loose. I'll leave that one tight. And we lock tight all the others in. I don't know. Asking for trouble, they are.
They haven't got Loctite
You
on
shouldn't
them.
have to, brand new item, you shouldn't have to even check them.
Yeah. Some of these companies with these brand new things, Dad, they have, if you undo the bolts, you lose your warranty.
Do they? Oh,
It says in the package, if you tamper with it, so you lose your warranty.
see how that stands up in court. Magistrate, he must have more brains than the average person, you'd think. He'd just throw that straight out the window. A little smattering of Loctite. Anyway, I'll do all those ones first. They got Loctite on them, but they weren't just torqued up. I'd rather have them torqued up with no Loctite than not torqued up enough.
Yeah.
So,
This is a Dana 44.
brand new Eaton, genuine Eaton.
Is this a true track as well?
It's a Detroit locker.
No, Detroit locker, right. That's what it was.
Detroit locker.
Goes into that Jeep Wrangler.
Proud Americans.
Proud Americans that obviously don't know how to tighten bolts.
That's him. That's him. Now, Loctite. That's it. Jesus Christ. This thing will tear these fucking things apart.
They're still kind of small bolts for such a big
They are.
vehicle.
But, try and tell them that. There's another lot of people like monuments. Oh, we've never had any trouble before. So they all want to wait until everyone blows them up in 1 week or something. Bet 2,000 of them all contact them. They're blowing Eaton up. They say, oh, no one's ever complained before. You must have been doing something wrong. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Just fob you off. Think you're an idiot. I don't know.
You have to take them to court to get money off these companies, don't you?
I suppose you would after all consumer affairs.
I wonder if you go to those places or...
You don't do them up so tight. Not doing up very much more, but at least we tried. Yeah, there'll be room in there to put more of them in there too.
Yeah, they should cast this the whole way around.
Correct.
You put
So-
one there, one there, one there.
See how good this one is. The other one just slipped on. There's no dings from the vice on that. That's all right. That's fully up there. Fully up.
Not very tight.
Nah. It's fully down that on the flange. Oh no, it ain't. Now I'll get the bolts. It wouldn't be so far away from being fully down, I know that.
Just see if it's loose once it's fully down.
Sometimes it does come loose, doesn't it?
Tap it all the way down. That one's a bit better, isn't it?
Size. Look at this. Huh?
Why they give you those bolts for?
Obviously, we're going to drop this crown wheel off. It'll probably just fall off.
How's a mechanic meant to fit this if you can't even fit it without machining out the holes? Why do they give you different bolts for?
Look, they're the right size bolts, all right.
Yeah. Well, why is this smaller?
Well, that's a good question. They don't even feel loose in there, you know. It can't be metric. These are half-inch U&F. Vernier, 12 mil smaller. See, that's half-inch U&F. That. It's 12 mil smaller again.
So they give you these bolts, which are the right ones for the crown wheel, but the holes in the carrier are too small to fit the bolts through.
Yeah, they've done them with a fair bit of clearance in these threads, but they'll have to drill them out. It's like the washer on this one's around the right way. Can't show us that one. In that front one, they had the washer around the wrong way for the spring. Big coil couch spring. So I've got to drill all that out.
What would happen if we did, you know, not everyone's got a drill press.
Well, do something, no alternative, is there? Yeah, they've been made for 7/16, those things.
I'll stop this video.
Might as well be.